All right, today we're gonna be taking a wheel mitt from a company called Work Stuff, and we're gonna be trying to get the brake dust off of my Tesla Model 3. Now, normally I use my brushes, and I love that process, but for today's purposes, we're gonna be using this wash mitt. Now, people might ask, what is different about this mitt than any other wash mitt? Well, I don't wanna use a wash mitt that I use on my car down on my wheels and then back up onto the paint and scratch it all to heck. So I'm gonna have a designated wash mitt just for my wheels. If that interests you, you're in the right place. Now let's go through this product together. I haven't touched it, I haven't looked at it yet, so let's rip it open and see what we got. All right, so right out of the packaging, man, that is really plush, smooth microfiber. I know that that's gonna glide nicely over the wheels. Now let's look at the build quality. Inside, we got a nice overlock stitching. Now the overlock stitching prevents it from fraying. It's got nice binding around the top, and it's got a little ring to hang it so that it dries nice. That's gonna be awesome too. Now as I put it onto my hand, I can already feel it's got some good dexterity to it. It's got some sewn in finger holes, which makes it, you get good dexterity while you're going around the rims and other stuff like that. So I'm really looking forward to using this product. Let's take a look at those finger holes. All right, now there's not a whole lot to say about this. I mean, it's just good build quality. It's nice and soft and it feels good on the hand, but nothing matters until we get out there and give it a try on the car. So let's get out there and wash these rims and see how it works in action. All right, yeah. All right, so I'm gonna cut right to the chase, man. This wash mitt is plush, it's nice, it feels good in the hand. I'll tell you what, when it's on, you can easily you can just manipulate it however you want to wash whatever you want on those wheels, back behind those rims, whatever, man. It works unbelievable. For $11, man, at the time of the filming, I just don't understand why anybody wouldn't want this to be part of their kit. I'm super stoked to have it in here. I'll leave links down in the description so you can check it out, man, and you won't regret it. It's a cool little piece of kit. I'll tell you what, I still like all my brushes. I love doing the brush work, but this is a nice little bonus to have in that wash bucket too. All right, so if you like these kind of videos, hit that subscribe button, man. Hit the like button. Ask me any questions you want about these products. I'm always stoked to answer it and help you guys out to make sure that you have the best experience you can have while you're detailing your car. All right, that's all I got to say for today. And I'll tell you what, this is some good stuff. I'll see you on the next one. Yeah.